Everybody, Matt Holm here. Me and Anwar Beck are going to throw an event next week at Whisper Valley. Whisper Valley has geothermal heating and cooling, solar. We have a builder, AHA Homes, that is giving $25,000 towards rate buy down. We're going to teach you how to house hack using other people's money. And we have an affinity for Tesla. There's 15,000 Tesla workers that are making $20 to $30 an hour, and housing in Austin is a problem. It's too expensive. You're spending 50% of your money every month on rent, and instead we're going to show you how to buy a house. Pick 2 of your friends at work, maybe 3. You can go have up to 4 on a loan. The builder's working on a 0 down loan program, giving you money for rate buy down and closing costs. We're going to have a lender there to answer your questions, and just come and learn and figure out what it takes to buy a house in this market. And I say house hack right now. You get to take advantage of low interest rates and great pricing because of the way the market's sitting right now. And it's one of those things. Warren Buffett says, buy when there's fear and sell when there's exuberance. But everybody does the opposite. They buy on the bandwagon and they sell on the fear. And right now, people are nervous about the housing market. You should be buying and looking for the value opportunities. So pretty exciting time. Once again, save the date, May 18th, 11 o'clock in the morning, Whisper Valley. We're going to have a link for RSVP. Totally looking forward to seeing you guys there. It's going to be a blast. And just come for the education and stay for the Cybertruck and Bear. Right, Bear?